Hello, so we're back again in the shed late at night with bad lighting. Another piece to the build of the new vehicle. Some people will know what that is. Couldn't help myself, come out to the shed and suss it out quickly. Okay. Pretty simple bit of gear. Pretty cheap. Now I could go ahead and make one of these myself very easily, but the thing is though, once you buy a flange and some pipe and you cut it up and you weld it up, it ends up costing a little bit, and this is already done, so it's literally a bolt-on job. So if you haven't already worked out, it's a muffler eliminator pipe. Now, had no hesitation in getting a muffler eliminator pipe because of, as some of you may know, if you haven't already been watching my channel, the previous vehicle was a DPF vehicle, and I first put a muffler delete that had a hot dog muffler in it, and I was thinking, oh, it's got a little bit of a note, but not much. Then I put a straight pipe on it, and hardly made any sound. Anyway, put that on. How's it going? So we're just having a look underneath here. So we've got the muffler eliminator pipe here. Standard exhaust. Check out that. So, rusted out already. So, should be pretty straightforward. There's some hangers up there, and 2 bolts up here look like 14mm, and then you literally bolt these 2 on, and 2 hangers at that end, and that's it. Now, what I didn't realise, let me look under here, there's this whole pipe here of 2.5 up to there. It's beyond. Oh well. 3 inch from here. It is.